everybody, it's Jess, and today is day 15 for unboxing our Advent. So you're gonna find this cute little box with the ribbon. I know Jen at the warehouse was the ribbon queen. She was taking care of getting these all pretty for you to open. So I feel bad undoing her bow, but I wanna show you what's inside. So here we have a special gift. I hope you're enjoying this assortment so far. And before I get the box totally opened, I wanted to read this little note on the side. So it says, "We've been up to Snow Good, picked exclusively for you. This limited edition gift is all of the holiday vibes. We can't wait to see the magic that you create with what's inside." And if you'll notice, I hear a jingle. All right, here it is. Here we have a gorgeous assortment of holiday zippers. These are not available on our website, so you're the first to get them in your hands. So check out how gorgeous these are. So here we have a brand new striped zipper with our ruby and white stripe. And look at how cute these zipper pulls are. So we designed these exclusively for you guys. And we also have a gold metallic zipper tape, a silver metallic zipper tape, and then our classic burgundy red for the color of our brand. And of course it ties into the holidays. So check out how cute these zipper pulls are. So we have a little candy cane, we have a jingle bell, and a Christmas tree, and then a little present. So a cute variety. This would be so fun to use all these zippers on a project, or you could use them for a variety of projects and have your holiday zippers ready to sew. I hope you like this gift. I know that I was super excited to share it with you. This is probably one of the favorite days of mine. We'll see you tomorrow for day 16 to open up another present.